How to replace the base enclosure. Before you begin, remove the service door, battery, 2.5-inch storage drive assembly, and optical drive. Removal important. If the second and/or third M.2 solid-state drive is installed, they will need to be removed before the base enclosure can be removed. Remove the three 8mm P1 Phillips-head screws identified with keyboard icons that secure the keyboard to the top cover. Loosen the four captive T8 Torx-head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Remove the 10 8mm T8 Torx-head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Remove the three 2.5mm P0 Phillips-head screws in the optical drive bay that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Carefully separate the edges of the base enclosure from the top cover. Remove the base enclosure. Reverse this procedure to install the base enclosure.